how to buy World Liberty Financial token. So this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now, to be able to buy this token on metamask, what you need to do, so this token is under the base network. Now, first of all, copy the token address from here, as you can see. So after that, open your metamask. So what you need to do, select the base as a network from here. It's easy and simple. Click on these three dots, click on import tokens, click on custom tokens, and paste the token address here. So this is our token, as you can see. Token has been added. So I will just go back to my wallet and find the token that's called WLF. So as you can see, so I will show you. I will just hide the WLF. I will hide to show you the process from the start. So after you select the base as a network, click on these three dots, click on import tokens, click on custom tokens, and paste the token address here. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on next. Now click on import. So after you click on import, you will be able to add this token to your wallet. Now click on it, click on swap here, switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, Ethereum, but make sure you have enough Ethereum on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy of that Ethereum, and now as you can see, you will be able to see here how much you will be received of that token. So after that, it's easy and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy WLFI token on metamask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.